fresh air and clean water. Clean rural district Buon, Jeonbuk, which has been blessed by heaven with a wonderful natural environment. We are serving our nature and respect animals, preparing for the future with righteousness management, the CharmFre. To jump up to global food company, we invest our continuous effort and passion. CharmFre will add another value of freshness to our product. Real fresh CharmFre. CharmFre as a leading company of food industry of the world for next generation. Based on win-win policy and customer-centered philosophy of management, we CharmFre lead the Korean broiler integration industry from farm to table. CharmFre had already invested $230 million since January 2013. CharmFre had been approved official certification of #1 HACCP chain system in poultry industry in Korea through installation of nation's first equipment and system and introduction of advanced European production facilities. CharmFre started the broiler integration business with Nanyong Feed Company and introduced total supervising system for breeding stocks, hatchery, growing farms, slaughtering factory, broiler distribution and consumption. Through this system, we established a successful business model of stabilizing the price of the product with reducing production cost, improving poultry growing environment, upgrading meat quality, and securing the raw material for further processing. Now CharmFre take our first step in adding genuine value for jumping up to a global food company for next generation with immaculate preparation and unceasing passion. CharmFre leads the broiler integration business through Nanyong Feed Company and contract with outstanding growing farmers. We block the possible inflow of contaminated materials and microorganisms through complete disinfection of transportation trucks before entering. Poultry feed, which is the base of broiler integration business, has been produced through exact sampling and reliable supply of raw materials. Nanyong introduced the most up-to-date European production facilities such as advanced mixer, pallet mill, and micro-batching systems. So it is possible to control nutrients automatically according to breed and growth phase with main computer. So we can produce excellent and cost-reasonable feed under the scientific basis. Feeds produced will be inspected thoroughly and then are ready for delivery to the farms. Those completed high-quality feeds will be delivered to the farms safely and quickly. CharmFre realized the eco-friendly farm management with charity for nature and animal. Breeder farms located in clean Mother Nature with fresh air and clear water were conducted complete sanitization from external contaminants and microorganisms. After that, feeds will be stored in the bin safely. Breeder Farm of CharmFre introduced most pleasant farm environment and systematic feeding and growing system in Korea. Breeders were raised and classified safely and healthily according to the growth phase. The fertilized eggs produced from breeder are inspected carefully and thoroughly, and then are moved to hatchery from egg stock room. CharmFre introduced advanced automatic system at hatchery, which was certified HACCP from government. Fertilized eggs from breeder are transported to hatchery, equipped with state-of-the-art automatic system and complete sanitization. All received eggs will be fumigated for complete sanitization. Eggs will be hatched in modernized incubator with automated inspection system. 18th day old incubating eggs are moved to hatcher and high-quality chicks can be born. Chicks are inspected automatically and immunized with vaccine and then delivered to the farm safely. Charmfre considers win-win management with local contract farmers its top priority. We aim for nature-friendly farm management, unlike the poor growing environment now in Korea. Every farm are completely shut off from outside contaminants for perfect sanitation. Also, we use solar energy for power to reduce production cost and provide a comfortable environment for safe and healthy broiler production. Broilers reared through nature-friendly farm system are caught by auto-catching system and then are transported to Charmfre slaughtering factory at Buan. Charmfre main factory located at Buan, Jeonbuk, with really wonderful and clean environment. Charmfre's more than $230 million investment was the biggest one of poultry industry in Korea. Charmfre introduced European advanced production facilities and now started to jump up to a global food firm. Charmfre does the best to provide safe and healthy food to customers through precise analysis and wise judgment by professional specialists and equipment. We strictly actualize factory hygiene with clean disinfected work clothes and rigid sanitization as an eco-friendly food company. Broilers reared at the farm were transported Charmfre slaughtering GP area safely. Charmfre introduced advanced animal welfare concept such as automatic ventilation and heating system, dust collector, LED light and auto tilting system. So those systems give minimum stress to live birds. Also, Charmfre maintained those containers safely and sanitarily with twice cleaning process using advanced automatic cleaning equipment. Charmfre can control the numbers of real-time input and output birds during selection and packaging of the products, and also have data of products stored in automatic warehouse of CCR rooms. The main point of animal welfare of Charmfre is CAS system. Live birds are moved through conveyor belt to minimize the stress. We realize the animal welfare using CO2 and O2, which makes the birds in pseudo-stunned state. Charmfre also introduced the low-temperature scalding system for the first time in Korea to supply better quality products to customers. The feet are removed after eviscerating, and eviscerated carcasses are washed 3 times with high pressure of water to minimize the number of microorganisms on the surface of the carcasses. Eviscerated intestine and organ will be inspected by veterinarian one by one, so undergrade carcasses will be excluded before production process. Another source of pride for Charmfre is the air chilling system. Longest length of 5.8 kilometer air chilling system reduced the carcass temperature from 40 degrees Celsius to 1 degree Celsius rapidly to prevent the growth of microorganisms on surface of the carcasses. Therefore, the quality of the meat is always tender and fresh. The carcasses are classified by weight into real time and also screened from contaminated or hurt ones by AQS system using infrared camera completely. Charmfre adopt the automatic cut-up facilities to produce cut meat sanitarily and effectively. Cut-ups produced such as wing parts, breast meat, tender, and thigh are classified by weight automatically with graders, and then packaged cut-ups are transported to automatic warehouse after inspection. Charmfre introduced automatic cutting system for cutting into several pieces of chicken for the first time in Korea to supply to franchisor. With this system, we can secure the freshness and safety of the cut pieces of chicken. Automatically cut pieces of chickens are selected by weight according to the customer's specifications. The products after injection and packaging are inspected with metal detector and delivered to customers freshly and safely. Charmfret is the only unique chicken further processing company which use fresh raw material right after the production transferred by RTV and conveyor through automatic warehouse. Cured raw materials after tumbling go into smokehouse for oak tree flavored smoking to produce chilled smoked chicken or duck product. After smoking those, pass through air chiller for sanitary chilling. All of the chilled further processed products are kept freshly with advanced automatic production facilities. We supply our chilled product to customers that are packaged in aseptic room under the guideline of NASA. Charmfret introduced automatic one-way system with conveyor to produce frozen further processed chicken product. First of all, cured and aged raw materials are input and heated. Then cooked materials are passed through shower conveyor to remove fat and oil and to clean. For frying products, we adopt special chiller for better coating in the order of breading batter breading. Then, coated raw materials go into 100 degrees Celsius fryer to produce crispy frying product. To prevent the growth of microorganisms, the fried products are passed through spiral freezer for quick freezing, and packaged final products are stored in automatic warehouse. Charmfret introduced world's first automatic warehouse for both chilled and frozen product. All products are classified, stored, and delivered with Gentry robot, conveyor, and RTV system in accordance with the first in, first out rule. Through this, we can maintain maximum freshness of the products. Finally, this system plays a key role to improve the quality of fresh and further processed products. All of the fresh products that are produced at Charmfret Factory are supplied to customers such as major chicken franchisor, big discount store, and our sales agent all over the country. Fundamental business principle of Charmfret is a day's production sold on the day. We are going to do our best so every customer can eat our product confidently with easy mind. The customers are really happy and satisfied. The company does best for customer value management. Beyond the limit of freshness, with the highest passion for the top of the industry. Wonderful company pursuing win-win policy with local community. And finally, brightening hope of people. We are the Charmfret.
Con kangen takut